Let's do some 2016 style brows. Honestly, this is my favorite style of eyebrow. I don't think I've ever stopped doing this look. So anyways, let's just get right into it. First, we're going to use this e.l.f. brush. I'm using this spoolie to brush out my brows. This is always going to be the first step. And I used to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade for this, but we got to keep it affordable. So I'm using the e.l.f. lock-on liner and brow cream today in the shade Espresso. You basically want to apply this with short, slow strokes. Definitely take your time. I did speed up these videos because if I didn't, it would have been long as shit. And I am following my natural brow shape. I'm not really making them any thicker or thinner. I'm really just filling them in after I finished outlining them. I do like to clean up my brows with a cotton swab and some e.l.f. Holy Hydration makeup remover just to perfect them a bit more. And then I like to brush them out with the spoolie after I finish applying the product. You could go back in with the brow cream if you feel like you need to. Just do what feels right until you get the desired brows that you're going for. You can absolutely leave them like this if you wanted to just keep it simple, but if you want to make them stand out even more, definitely go in with some concealer. I'm using the Creamy Tart Shape Tape and this Mayron Paradise Paint brush. And I know I said I was going to keep it affordable, and technically it is because the Shape Tape was half off. It's normally $32, but I did get it this week for $15.99. I'm pretty sure the sale is going on until Saturday, so definitely go to Ulta and get the Shape Tape half off. Anyway, I'm taking my time with outlining my brows, very short, slow strokes, very similar to what I did when I was filling them in. So just take your time, be careful with it. You can always go back in with the brow cream if you made a mistake or whatever the case may be. But then after I finished outlining them, I did start blending out the concealer with the brush because I'm not going to do any eyeshadow. So I like to blend this out. And then I also like to tap it out into my lid so that way it looks more natural, because all I'm doing is throwing on lashes after this. I'm not doing no eyeshadow, so we want to make it look natural. Same thing with outlining the top, slow, short strokes. Then I'm going to be blending it out and tapping it out into my skin. It's pretty simple and easy once you get the hang of it. I've been doing my brows for years. And honestly, when I started doing my brows in 2016, they were looking like Sharpie block brows. They were really, really bad. So it took me years of practice to get them this perfect. Well, they're not perfect. They're definitely sisters, not twins. But anyway, the last step in this tutorial is going to be adding some brow gel. I really like the NYX brow glue. It's really nice. I use the clear one. And this is it, y'all. This is the final makeup look with the 2016 style brows. Let me know what y'all want to see next.